Well, hello YouTube friends and family, it's Frank here again with another open house. This open house is of an Avondale Courtyard Villa. This Avondale Courtyard Villa is within the Thai Villas. The Thai Villas are situated inside the Village of Chitty Chatty. These Thai Villas come with upgraded features. Some of these houses will have granite countertops, quartz countertops, upgraded fixtures, little perks such as that. If you notice, as we take a look in the bedroom, this home comes with solid plank tiling, upgraded fixtures, chrome fixtures, which are a nice touch. If you happen to see any shaking within the camera, I do apologize for that. It actually has some storage, as many of these homes don't have much storage at all. So we're just going to take a look at some of the guest bedrooms, show you the layout. I like that entrance door with a little design glass insert in there. Here's a view of the beautiful kitchen with the nice hanging fixtures. Off in the distance right there, you got a nice open dining section as well. Even including the foyer is nice for a nice little entranceway. You got a nice spacious living room. And as you can see, the living space extends out into your side lanai, which is fairly roomy. Here's a view out of your window in the backyard. Spun it around to get a nice view looking in that direction. Now let's go ahead and walk into the master bedroom. Here's a view of the backyard from your bedroom. Nice large window. Pretty good view of your backyard actually. Raised ceilings. Now this house does have solid plank tiles throughout the whole house. There was no carpet in it. Nice spacious bathroom, double sinks, granite countertops. Has a nice walk-in closet. Pretty large. You're actually going to have a nice walk-in shower just to the right of this. I like the chrome fixtures. It really gives the house an extra bling bling, if you will. It is a nice touch, especially when it comes to gray colors, in my opinion. It's really a nice accent to what's going on in the house. There's the view looking out into the bathroom, into your bedroom. There's a view of the fixtures and the lighting within that master bath. If you happen to see red tape in places, those are little to-do fixers. They have to come in and do some touch-up painting and things of that nature. Here's an overall view of the layout of the home. It is a very nice open space, open floor concept, as you can see. As we go to the right, I like how that kitchen is set up. You have a nice island, your breakfast bar section right there, very spacious. You got plenty of room for your friends and your family. We're going to walk off over here too now towards the garage, and then your laundry room is going to be right here to the right. Nice 2-car garage. Now this particular house does not come with a golf cart garage, but you do have plenty of room for your car and your golf cart to sit next to each other. Here's a view of the lanai as we come through there. We're going to take a walk out into the backyard. I like the large concrete pad in the back. Gives you plenty of room for outside seating, your barbecue grill, fire pit, whatever you would like to do out there. And this is going to be the view in the back of this particular house. Some of these houses are backed up to an uncleared woods area. And here's the back of the house. And at this point, I just kind of walked the perimeter of the home. We're going to go through the gate. Door right here. Take a look at the side of the house. And here's going to be a little quick view of the next door neighbor, how close they are going to be next to the house. This particular house does have a nice front porch sitting area as well as that back area. But this is going to conclude this open house. I appreciate you taking a look with me. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Click that like button and have a great day, folks.